Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to finish flipping this buffet. I'll leave a link to the first part in the description below in case you didn't watch part 1 or if you want to watch it before this video. These trim pieces will help elevate the look of the doors. I secured them with a golden nail that I had previously painted. This piece of trim will cover the hole that was visible inside. I didn't film it because my batteries keep on dying, but it looks quite well. The inside shelves are made of MDF. I thought of changing them, but they're functional and look okay. I used some toner to balance the color, and I'm gonna give them a black frame to match the bottom panels. By this time, I had ran out of black chalk paint and I only had some oil-based black paint. As oil-based paint is quite difficult to clean, I applied it with a disposable piece of sponge. This is where disaster struck last week. The inside veneer was quite brittle and it broke where the upper hinge was placed. So I filled the existing hole with Bondo and had to drill a new hinge hole. I ordered some more black chalk paint so I can do some touch-ups. I'm using water-based polyurethane in semi-gloss finish. I'll protect the shelves even if it's MDF. Water-based poly has proven to be quite good previously on MDF, so I'm not worried about wood swelling. I had some drips on the front of the problematic door, so I decided to scuff sand it and repaint it. Look at that! I'll have to reconstruct this corner. So more Bondo to the rescue. While the bando dried, I started measuring to install the pulls on the drawers. This is always difficult and tricky for me. I guess I should just buy a jig. Touch-ups and touch-ups. Oh my god, this is cursed. Now the other corner. Oh my god. Have you ever felt fed up by a project? I taped the wood trims and I repainted the door. I gave it 2 coats. If you are enjoying watching this video, please like it. It helps me tremendously with the algorithm, and you may consider subscribing. It is free, and you'll have access to all my videos. I want to thank my channel members. You rock. Sealing again, I felt this project would never end. I glued some chopsticks on the lower holes of the hinges to avoid problems. Now the moment of truth. I hope nothing bad happens again. So the upper hinge needs to be as high as possible. Now the right door needs to come down a little. Some wood filler where the previous veneer had collapsed. Milo always comes when I'm sitting on the floor. He just wants attention and cuddling. Finally, after almost 3 weeks, I can install the hardware on the doors. Of course, the masking tape took away some paint. This was the touch-ups project. Do you remember that gross, sad, and outdated piece? Well, here it is now. It looks gorgeous. It's not perfect after all the problems I had with it, but it is so much better. I love the rustic element of the wood combined with the mid-century modern gold accents. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.